Hello everyone, I am Punyakirti BL. Welcome to my Python for Generative AI learning series. In this series, we are focusing on Python basics that will help us to build a strong foundation for implementing generative AI concepts. So let's dive in and start today's session. Today's topic is Master Writing CSV files in Python. Let's start with introduction. CSV, comma separated values, files are a common way to store and share structured data. Learning how to read and write CSV files in Python is essential for tasks like logging results, saving outputs, or exchanging data between programs. In this session, we will focus on writing data to CSV files and handling common scenarios like custom delimiters. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to create CSV files in Python, write headers and data rows, handle special cases like extra new lines, use custom delimiters such as tabs and all. So, write data to CSV file is the first step. Let's understand. Imagine you are training several versions of an AI model and want to log their performance. You might want to track metrics like model version, accuracy, response time, token count. Python's CSV module makes this simple. Let's start with step 1. First one is import CSV. So this is model already we know. For to handle in the previous video we explained this one. So I'm importing this into my notebook. Once this is done, open a CSV file for writing. So with open model performance.csv is the file name. We are opening it for write mode. So let's copy and we can fix. This is the starting point of the code. We don't compile this one, it will throw exception because we don't do any performance here. So W means write mode. If the file already exists, it will overwritten. If it does not exist, it will be created automatically. Okay, in Windows we have to give like this. Extra blank lines may appear when writing rows. To avoid this, use newline is equal to double quotes in the open function. We are trying this one. This is for the Windows users. Please try this line. Now create a CSV writer object. So inside the with we are using this one, writer is equal to CSV dot writer, and we are passing the CSV file. So CSV file is model performance CSV here. Once it is done, so write the header row. For that we can create header row. Before doing this one, we can check in our path it is connecting. There is no files at all. So what I will do, I will run now. So once it is done, where model performance is available. I will remove this and again I will run. Now you see. So it is, so if the file is not exist, automatically it will create. Once it is done, if you see the data is not available here, let's add a header row. So next step is adding a header row. So this header row writer.write row. So these are the header columns. Let's see what all columns we got in here. So if I load now, header columns added, model version, accuracy, response time, and tokens. So next we can go. So each row is passed as a list of values we count. Now write data rows. You can write data row by row like this. So I will create models like this. Then for model in models, write row model. So model is models data. Each and every dictionary we have that data and we can run. So what we are doing here, models is equal to, these are the data we have. Each we are traversing through models one by one and writing into row as a row into model. Write a row to our model performance CSV using model data. So now as of now we don't have any data. When I run, it throws exception because closed file. Okay, I'm keeping it here inside this models. Okay, it should be inside the with block. That's why we are getting error. When I run, now we are able to see it is done. So when we refresh, 2 rows of data is added, GPT 498 and all these things. Now the outcome after running the script, a file named model performance.csv is created in your current directory. We already see that. Opening it will show a clean table with your header and data rows. Okay, this is we completed how to write a data, how to write a header and rows. Next, handling custom delimiters. Like commas are standard in CSV files, sometimes your data may come with other separators such as tabs, semicolons or pipes. Python lets you specify custom delimiters easily. Now we have tab separate CSV w newline as CSV file. Here writer is equal to CSV dot writer. CSV file we are taking, delimiter is equal to slash t. Slash t represent a tab. Writer dot write row, so it automatically tab spaces. This data will be written. Let's try this in our function. So what happens in our path? We don't have any file named tab separated logs.csv. Now when we execute, automatically file will be created. So when you see the data, now you are able to see model, we have tabs separated data and data is handled. So in that way we can create this tab set. Note, to read CSV file with custom delimiter, use the same delimiter argument with the CSV reader. This flexibility ensures that your code can handle data from a variety of sources and remain compatible with other tools. Let's summarize and recap. In this lesson, we covered how to create and write CSV files in Python using CSV module, writing headers and multiple data rows, avoiding extra new lines on certain systems, handling files with custom delimiters like tabs and all. So key takeaway is mastering CSV file operations allows you to save, share and manipulate data efficiently, which is essential for logging results and analyzing datasets or building data-driven applications. So thank you for watching today's session. This is part of Python for Generative AI learning series. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. See you in the next session. Thank you very much.